A sweet vanilla-like fragrance exudes from this native orchid, making it an irresistible scent. This orchid is noted as a medicinal plant and has been mainly used in Thailand to treat headache. You will find each of our fragrance compositions comes with therapeutic orchids, and Woody 3 is no exception. Used to treat coughs and eye disorders, this therapeutic orchid is considered as a medicinal tonic, which is said to help promote life. This next orchid is used in various countries for varying uses. In Taiwan, it is used to treat bruises, weakness, and pneumonia, while in Philippines, it can be consumed or applied topically for pain relief. It is also a traditional remedy for diabetes and skin diseases in one of the oldest tribal communities in India. Other fragrances in Woody 3 include muhuhu and larch. A rather uncommon ingredient found in fragrances, muhuhu's aroma has an enveloping richness, which displays hints of woody sweetness and smoky sensuality. The aroma of muhuhu is said to help relieve stress, anxiety, and fear. It can also help in enhancing meditation and spiritual connection, promoting mental and emotional well-being. Just like muhuhu, larch is another uncommon ingredient, with a soft, woody, and resinous scent. It is used as an herbal remedy, especially for cold and flu. With an alluring sweetness lightly supported by the warmth of woody hues, Woody 3 makes for the perfect fragrance, portraying a soft, feminine beauty that is innate in women.